Hello everyone, my name is Prashant Kumar. This is my first project on data analysis. My topic is Uber New York data analysis. Here is my data set and here is my problem statement. As you can see, um, I have performed basic analysis here, like I have deleted duplicate value here. You can see I have used Panda NumPy here, and this is a library of Python. So here is my first problem statement. Which month has maximum number of pickups in New York City? It is asking that which month has maximum number of booking in New York City. So we will come on here. Like this graph is the answer. Uh, like January has minimum number of booking. This x-axis is month and y-axis is number of booking, means number of pickups. This January has minimum number of booking and June has maximum number of booking. As summer increases, the booking also increases. This conclude that Uber company can deploy their more cabs and more services in summer as compared to winter. uh, this graphs is on the basis of days. This colorful line shows number of days, days like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and this graph shows that this x is showing hours and this y axis is showing number of booking, means number of pickups. So these colorful lines shows trends on each day, like red color is showing Sunday and orange color is showing Monday trends. Okay, you can analyze these all things and so on. This is box plot and so on. I have analyzed it all. Like you can see which part of New York City has maximum number of booking by this graph. As you zoom out, you will find which part of New York City has maximum number of booking, which part of New York City has minimum number of booking. On the basis of this, Uber company can deploy their services and maximize their profit. So this was my analysis. I have uploaded this analysis on Kaggle. I have shared this Kaggle notebook also. The link is in description. You can see. Thank you.